Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. 3 ketchup pizzas. Shrimp cocktail pizza. 1 cup ketchup, 1/4 cup horseradish, half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire, mix well. Cocktail sauce. All right, let's give this cocktail sauce a try. Nice and zingy. It's gonna be great. Medium-high heat, cooking oil. Add your jumbo shrimp, deshelled and deveined, season with salt and pepper, cook 1 to 2 minutes each side. Cooked jumbo shrimp, mozzarella cheese, flour, roll dough, flour lightly as needed, flour peel and slide it under the dough, add 1 cup cocktail sauce, 2 cups mozzarella cheese, 2 cups jumbo shrimp, and pat it down. Bake at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Shrimp cocktail pizza. Today we have a shrimp cocktail pizza. Oh yeah, some nice little shrimps, that delicious cocktail sauce. Shrimp party! Grilled cheese pizza. Make sauce. 1 cup ketchup. Prepare toppings. 4 slices of sourdough bread. Remove crust. Roll out bread. Four slices of cheese. Butter outside of bread. Add 2 slices of cheese, butter outside of bread, make sandwich and repeat. Whew. Cut into 12 squares. Repeat. Grate cheese. Two cups mozzarella cheese. Make pizza. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Flour pizza peel. Slide peel under dough. 1 cup ketchup. 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Mini grilled cheeses. 1 more cup mozzarella cheese. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Grilled cheese pizza. Eat it. We have a grilled cheese pizza. Tater tot pizza.
Prepare toppings. Parchment paper lime baking pan. Half a bag of tater tots. Bake at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Flip them. Bake 10 more minutes. Reserve 2 cups of tater tots. Make sauce. It's just ketchup. Grate cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Make pizza. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly is needed. Flour pizza peel. Slide peel under dough. 1 cup ketchup. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 2 cups tater tots. Pat down. Bake pizza at 5 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Tater tot pizza.
A tater tot pizza. That's amazing. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.